So welcome to the second part of today's discussion, that is application of pharmaceutical polymers. In the second part we completely focus on the specific applications of pharmaceutical polymers in several aspects related to the pharmacy field of pharmacy. Now, application of pharmaceutical polymers, among these, polymeric material are used in several purposes like designing of packaging material, drug delivery system, medical tools, clothing, floor cover, garbage disposal bags, etc. etc. In this connection, we are mainly focusing on the pharmaceutical use of those polymers. Application of polymer in designing of several pharmaceutical dosage form. Now, if I categorize the dosage form in aspect of different way how to deliver the drug, for example, oral drug delivery, topical drug delivery, ophthalmic drug delivery, advanced drug delivery, and design and development of different needed contraceptive tools. In all the areas, polymer going to play a wonderful roles, and it create a new invention and innovation in each and every branches. Now, for example, in oral drug delivery systems, the matrix tablet, sustainless formulation, control-less formulation, single unit or multi-unit dosage form, all these things can be developed or designed using suitable polymers for attaining a effective and most reasonable use of those polymer for better treatments. Next, topical drug delivery systems, for example, mucoadhesive gel, microemulsion drug delivery systems, multiple emulsion drug delivery system, transdermal patches, and other transdermal drug delivery systems can be easily fabricated by using different types of polymer to have different way of drug release. Next, in ophthalmic drug delivery system, majority of cases it has been seen that in case of ophthalmic drug delivery system, drug losses due to the washout is one of the crucial problem, and here different polymers with having different qualities or properties can play a vital role to hold the drug in the surface of the eye by using thinning agent or thickening agent. So here, in placing Oxford modified release system of ophthalmic drug delivery system are a few example out of it. Advanced drug delivery systems, for example, nanoparticle, microsphere, liposome, newsome, phytosome, all those things can be prepared using a quality and innovative approach of polymers. Now, another sector where polymer is going to play vital roles, for example, especially contraceptive devices like IUDs, birth controlling product like condoms and all. For all this purpose, polymer can play vital roles. Above and all, polymer also play vital roles in the packaging technologies, specially used for packaging of pharmaceutical dosage form like tablet, capsule and all, and most commonly it is known as strip packaging, blister packaging. All these things can be done by using modified polymer systems. So these are the all specific type of applications of polymers. I hope this particular session will be helpful for you. Now we are moving towards our next session, that is outcome of the topic.